going to go into finance. My favorite thing is the money, right? And this is where you're going to learn how to raise money, right? This is all about raising money. So this, you can put this, you can put creative deal structuring under this as well. Because creative deal structuring is like twofold. It's structuring the deal, right, on the acquisition side, and raising the money under the finance department. And both of those kind of work together, and they work at the same time. All right. That's somebody else, I think it was Jennifer earlier, that's like, what do I work on first? You work on both of them at the same time. You got to find the deal, and you got to get the deal under contract and structure it. And at the same time, you should be raising money. All right. And learning how to structure the deals. You can find private money lenders. That's a private money lender. So that's raising money. It's always getting out there and talking to people and seeing if they'd be interested in lending you the money or partnering with you on the deal, right? Lending or partnering. And in the previous podcast, or not podcast, I guess webinar podcast that I just did, last session was all about private money and how to raise private money. So if you're interested, make sure that you check that out. And also, so learning how to raise private money, and then also utilizing, if you need to, hard money lenders, right? Hard money lenders. These are all like lenders that will lend you money, but at a higher interest rate. Right, but they're more like a bank concept. This one is called asset-based lending. Asset-based lending. So it's like bank lenders that lend on any type of facility, most any type of facility, but at a higher interest rate. And there are some out there, or there's definitely a lot of them out there. In fact, we have several that come and talk to our group Storage Nerds on a regular basis. And then you also have bank financing. And this is like, this could be either SBA or local bank. Okay, so SBA, and actually we have tomorrow, we have one of our SBA lenders that comes like every maybe 2 or 3 times a year. He comes to talk to the group. He's going to come and talk to Storage Nerds tomorrow, and he's going to give us an update on all the SBA loans that are out there, the rules, the regulations, and how you can do, what you should be looking out for SBA loans. That's gonna be really good tomorrow. And then, or local banks, right? Local banks or SBA banks for income producing properties are perfect. So income producing property is like income producing properties is money is like 75% or 75% or more full, right? If it's like 75% or less full, those are more kind of like mismanaged facilities. I would say 50 to 75% full is kind of like a gray area. Some banks will say no, like that's like not a good that's not a good deal for me. I'm not going to lend on that. But then like SBA, sometimes they say, yeah, we'll lend on that. So it's really kind of a gray area. And let's just see what happens over the next year with the banks. I really honestly think lending is going to get more and more difficult over the next years, right? I think that the recession is going to happen, and I think it's going to just be a little bit tougher to find money. Right. So, and they're going to want more down. Like, I mean, back in the day, you could do 10% down, and then it went to 15, and then it went to 20. Now it's 25% down. I have a student right now that's borrowing, like it's around 800,000 or so. And he has to put 25% down. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So between 20 and 30%, it could go up to 30% with loans. And that's another reason why you want to learn how to raise money, right? You really want to learn how to raise money.